Hi, it's Ray here in our 2015 Tiffin Allegro Bus 37 AP. We bought it 4 years old, and I loved that it had the dishwasher, but I wasn't quite sure how to take care of it. Didn't wash my dishes very well in the beginning, so I decided to learn, and it actually wasn't that hard. There's lots of YouTube videos, but I thought I'd do a quick, this is what I do every week. Start with an empty dishwasher. Pull out all your doodads. This part just lifts right off. It's just sitting there. And this is the pre-filter. After 1 week, can you see how gross that is? It's nice and super gross. That's just gonna be rinsed off. Take this gray, scoochy it, lift up. Let's see how gross it is under here. This actually looks really good. Sometimes this is all totally gross, and I would just wipe it off with a paper towel, but it looks like I did a good job last week, and there's not much in there. So that's it. And then I'm gonna take a paper towel and sop up all that water. I don't know if it needs to be sopped up, but I do it every week anyway, or every other week, I should say. I don't do this part every week. Just 'cause I don't rinse the dishes very well before I put them in here. So mine might be a lot grosser than yours, and that's okay. And sometimes there's all sorts of grossness around here, but there isn't this week. Oh, I should have waited and done it when it was more dramatically gross. Come over here and watch me rinse this. This little piece is absolutely your first defense against yuckiness and oils and mine always has a couple of my hairs in there. That's attractive. Just rip out this plastic catcher. This usually has a couple of my hairs on it. Yuck. And I just rinse it. I don't wash it. I just rinse it. And then the fine netting. Just rinse it out. Give it all a place to go. That's it. Can we see? Is there a decent light? Can we see? No, it's fairly clean. You know, it's not perfectly clean. And I just jam this little doodad back in there. Oops, I messed it up. That happens all the time. There's a little catch in there. There we go. It sort of clicks in, but not really. And now I'll just put it back together. This goes back on. Like I said, if this had been dirty, I would have wiped it off, but it's not. It looks really good. So this little rubber thingy just sits here. Put it on, make sure that this is lined up. Wiggle it around. There we go. You can feel it sort of fit itself in there. Push down on the ring and turn. Now it's locked in. This literally just sits there loose. And don't forget this. I have forgotten this a couple times. Hey, there's a piece of paper towel there. I have forgotten to put this in a couple times, and I've always been sorry. And if it doesn't fit back in, it's because you didn't do it right. Oh. I didn't do it right. I did it just a little bit wrong, and that's why it didn't fit in there, so I needed to scooch it around. And now it pops right back in there. Yay. Set this back in here, and now here's the other fun weekly thing I do. Come over here and grab your white vinegar. I suppose you can use any color vinegar you want. This is super precise, okay, so be very careful. Yeah, that's enough. I don't bother to stick the utensil holder back in there because I'm just going to start. I always run it on heavy. I'm very happy with it on heavy. No soap, no nothing. Start. And it takes 3 hours to run. But doing this once a week, even every other week, sometimes I blow it off, keeps my dishes gorgeous, and I'm thrilled with my dishwasher. Thanks for watching my video.